Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. I have this one HDR, my new camera. We'll see how that goes. Today, we're going to go check out phone cases for Madge. And then we're going to take it from there. Huh? I don't know, maybe they got to beep it. Oh, they got to beep it. They got to beep it so we can come in. Ooh, it's chilly in here.
How can I help?
I'm looking for a phone case. What is phone?
Do you know that?
Yeah.
What is this? There's like something you want inside of it.
Oh, I wanted to look at lightning cables.
Oh, this case, this thing is
Oh, that thing is in bad shape.
so. No, it's this is bad.
Well, they got they got a lot of stuff here. I'd be able to find what I'm looking for.
Huh? It's really.
No, this was the case. That's part of the case.
That's still part of the case.
Oh, this is. My gosh.
Yeah, that's how bad it's got. She didn't even know.
Because I mean, it's like I've never taken.
You know.
It looks like you need a new screen. It's the screen.
Yeah,
that's
she don't mind. She don't mind. I got another
I
phone
don't
for her,
mind because I don't like spending money to buy this.
yeah.
Alright, which phone is?
That's a 10R, iPhone 10R. There, sweetie. Yeah, look, they even have one. They got all kinds of them. Oh yeah, you're gonna do good, sweetie.
These are yours, you know?
Just those two right there. She was hoping to get one with the little folder, but you can't. You're not going to have to be able to do that. They don't have any like that, so. The only way you'll get one like that is if we order it on Amazon or something, you know.
No, honey, we're not coming down now, you know.
No.
What we do have though, we have the case, and it's like how you put your cards in there. We have something that could go at the back. It could probably go at the back, and then you can put your cards in that.
Oh. Yeah, look at that.
But this one, the face will be leave open like that. If the face of it will be left open.
The face will be open, yeah.
Well, we do have screen protectors as well.
Yeah.
We have to solve on something from it. I think so. I think it has screen protector.
It might already have one on there.
Yes, I think it has, yeah.
Let's see, maybe?
Looks sideways.
No.
Oh, doesn't it?
No.
No, it doesn't, does it?
I'll stick. I'll just stick this one.
Take that one and get a screen protector for it.
So this one's one for you. This.
I thought you didn't like spending money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
While we're over here, I need
Alvin did want to give me his phone when he came.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I tried to give you my old one too. You have lightning cables?
Yes, we do. We
Oh,
have
here we go.
$2,000 ones, and we also have the lifetime ones for $4,000 and $4,500.
You mean for the rest of his life?
Lifetime.
The rest of my life, if I live long
For the
enough.
rest of our life. Paintings and his life.
How long? I see. Those are 6 foot.
Feet. Those are 3.
Those are
The
3.
regular size. Regular.
I like the 6 foot. I do like the 6 foot. I think I need to get.
Do you want the C to lightning or the
Well,
lightning to type of the USB?
see. Actually, let me get one of each.
The USB one and the type.
Yeah, one of a USB to lightning and a USB to lightning or whatever it is, yeah. And now that we know you're here and you have a lot of different cables, oh look, they even have a, oh yeah, wow.
How long do I have this phone?
Huh?
How long do I have it?
Since it came out?
Since it came out?
Since, I don't know, remember,
About 4 or 5 years? Huh?
maybe. It probably says in there somewhere if I looked at it.
You want the screen with the cancel?
This card don't go up to me.
And let me look at your scan discs. Are those the,
Let me see.
you have the scan disc pros, the V3s
Repeat.
on your scan discs? You got the V3s?
The V3.
Yeah, they're like high speed.
I have no idea.
Maybe the one, let me look at the one that says extreme on it. Yeah. And just read on it.
A2.
Yeah, I think it is. Or V30. I'm not sure if it is or not. I'd have to have my other reading glasses.
That I could have place to put things in the back. What is?
Let me see if I find one for you. I'm seeing a few, but it's for Maxi collection.
Because if I'm getting a next phone, maybe it might be bigger than this, smaller than this. So maybe
Yeah, if you get your next phone, it's going to be like if you decide you want my old 10S, it's a little bit smaller than that.
see, so it will make sense to maybe also because there's more.
So you're thinking about getting a new phone?
Yeah, because this will go 4 or 5 years already.
Yeah. To get one newer than that, you're going to have to probably get it from Ford and have Norris bring it down. Oh, look, they got
Yeah. When I bought it, it was like 800 US. When I bought this one, 800.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Look at that. They even got MacBooks.
Covers.
Oh, those are just covers?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You might have some, but not at this location.
Mm.
All right, just give me this.
You don't want to run it.
How much is it? Tell her the price.
What we want to do?
What is this one? Maxi first. Not sure if it would work with URLs, so I have to test it and see. But in the case, it probably block it. The magnetic ones. Alright, so you want this, the case, and the screen protector?
I may wonder if that would have
You don't even need a case, really. Because look, you just take it like that. It's already old. No?
It's already old. Yeah, I agree.
But if it drops,
Okay.
Splash.
I never use a case on mine. That's why I said it.
Alright, give me the case. I'm just gonna take the case.
Yeah, so the case and this, no screen protector though. Okay. All right.
Because
Yeah, look, see, mine's got some little nicks and marks on it, but it don't hurt it. And look how many times I've dropped it.
doesn't hurt it yet. Until you have to pay like an arm and a leg to replace it.
Yeah. Well,
11,000 is a total.
how much? 11,000? Here, hold the camera. Shine it around at me and you and everybody.
you didn't want to see we were getting money.
Said 11,000 and how much?
That's 11,000.
Oh, just 11. Oh, that's easy. I've got the exact change.
Awesome. It's real money.
All right.
This is my.
That's your new phone case. You can put it in there right now if you want.
Yeah.
You gonna do that? Put it in, see how pretty it is. I don't know why you want to get a pretty blue phone and then you can't even see it. You know, you understand what I'm saying?
I can't even see.
You can't even see it. Okay, where's your pretty blue phone? See, that's why I never put a case on mine.
You can get a clear case.
Huh? Yeah, you could have got a clear case.
What phone do you have?
The 12X, or the 12, not the X, just the 12 Pro.
Yeah, you could have gotten a clear case, so it would have shown pretty thing at the back. Like, mine is purple.
Oh,
Wait, then it still has some design at the side.
cool. And then the,
The MagSafe is there as well.
what's that for?
That is for magnetic.
Oh. What?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so the stuff I just
And
showed
it
you
charges
is-
when you do that?
Yeah. So this is not the charging one, but like this.
But you can go on
and
the
that
chargers.
is the charging one, so you just
Cool.
And like all those mounts up there
Mm-hmm.
is also for MagSafe, but most of them.
Wow.
When I get a modern phone,
When you get a modern phone, believe me, your phone is very modern.
yeah, it's modern, but
Compared. Yes, it is.
yeah.
Other than the screen, which is messed up for some reason.
And we do fix those as well.
Are you fixing the screens too? Oh,
Let
you
me tell
can
you
be.
how much for that one.
Pardon
Let me tell you how much for that one.
me? The screen can be fixed.
Wow.
That sounds like you probably won't upgrade if it's cheap.
But we don't know how it happened. She didn't drop it or nothing.
Okay, let's just go ahead.
Yeah.
iPhone XR, right?
Mm-hmm.
$23,000, and that includes installation and tax.
23,000. Out of the
So you guys are an authorized Apple screen?
No.
So the screen won't pop up and say it's not a valid screen or
You
something?
do get warranty on it, but it doesn't pop up. I've never heard that one before.
Okay.
23.
So it won't pop up and say it's an invalid screen or anything like something? You never heard that? Okay.
Not for the screen, at least.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank
Well, that's cheap compared to a new phone.
And it includes the price of the installation as well. So it's not just the screen. This also includes what you pay for to fix it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's all.
Yeah. Okay, I'll think about it. You know.
Yeah, because that's not a bad deal.
And then, yeah.
You'd be like having a new phone, except it wouldn't be blue anymore.
It could be.
It could be.
Yeah.
You could finally decide you want to. Oh, here, don't leave this out. The next guy might put it in his pocket. I can't tell on that if that's the right speed or not. Because the GoPros have to have a certain high speed, you know? Yeah.
I mean, it does have a GoPro thing up at the top.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The rest of them don't. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, now I know I can come here. I don't have to pay all that money to get them from foreign.
Unless we're going.
Unless we have somebody coming, then it's cheap, but...
And where we are going.
Alright, that's it.
Yeah.
And remember, those are lifetime cables, so if it gets damaged, you can carry them into replacement.
Okay, you hear that?
What's that?
Lifetime cable.
On these two.
So,
Okay,
so if
yeah.
any problem, you
don't need
can
the receiver or box, you just carry the cable.
just carry the cable.
Cool. Don't even need to keep the box or nothing.
No.
Just come. But I got to keep the receipt.
No, you don't, just carry the
Just carry the cable in here.
Yeah, it's branded.
Wow.
Oh.
How cool is that? They must think they're going to last forever. Well, they must. Otherwise, they wouldn't have such a good deal, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
It's a really nice little store, you know? Ping Links. Ping Links. Yeah, it's a nice little store, sweetie.
So, if in case I just want to buy something here.
After we shop, after we grocery shop. Yes, I do. Let's take these to the car. But I'm real excited. I found a real nice little electronics store where that we can get SD cards, and I can get cables and different things I might need here in Kingston. It's really in a handy, nice area, so really looking forward to that. But anyway, people, we're back. So, thanks for watching us on Red Button Journal. Be sure to like, share, comment,
And subscribe. Amen.
For the latest from Red Button Journal, amen. And big up yourself, bless up yourself, and blessings and respect, and amen. And just trying to stay safe and comfy, my people. Safe and comfy. Later.